Good morning. Looks like the euphoria over the US debt deal has given way to concerns about the health of the global economy. Manufacturing PMI reports from Australia to the US have shown continued moderation. Concerns have also surfaced over the adverse implications of the large spending cuts in the US, the world's largest economy. In addition, a possible downgrade on the US debt rating is still lurking. US stocks reversed early gains to finish in the red. Across the Atlantic, European stocks suffered nasty cuts. Asian markets this morning are mostly lower. Nifty futures trading in Singapore are pointing at a weak start. The trading for the rest of the day will hinge partly on the global cues and partly on the domestic factors. DLF, MMTC, Piramal Healthcare and Power Grid are among the few leading companies declaring their results today. Meanwhile, the government is trying its best to convince all that there is no policy drift and that reforms are on track. The monsoon session will be a key test as a spate of crucial bills are slated for presentation. We expect the Nifty to trade with positive bias as long as it holds above 5,460, with immediate resistance seen at approximately 5,575. In case of further downside, it may find support around 5,365, while resistance is expected at 5,680, which is 100 DMA, and 5,700, which is 200 DMA. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 863.3 million in the cash segment on Monday according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutions were net sellers at Rs 952.6 million on the same day. FIIs were net buyers at Rs 1.28 billion in the F&O segment. The foreign funds were net sellers at Rs 6.18 billion in the cash segment on Friday according to the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net buyers at Rs 1.08 billion in the same day. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying Syntex Industries above Rs 180.5 with a stop loss of Rs 176.75 and for the target price of Rs 186. We advise going short on Federal Bank August futures below Rs 420 with a stop loss placed at Rs 426 and for the target price of Rs 408. Our derivative strategy for the day are: short Reliance Capital August futures in the range of Rs 553 to Rs 555 for the target price of Rs 535 and a stop loss placed at Rs 563. Short IRB Infra August futures in the range of Rs 165 to Rs 166 for the target price of Rs 156 and a stop loss placed at Rs 170. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.